Veg mash dal pakoda.
1 cup of soaked mash dal for 2 hours. Half cup of grated carrot and cabbage. 1 finely chopped onion. Half cup of chopped palak spinach. 7 to 8 green chilies, and some coriander leaves. Some chopped curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of maida all-purpose flour. Take a jar and transfer mash dal. Add green chilies and coriander leaves. Add little water. Grind it. Smooth paste is done. Take a mixing bowl and add mash dal paste. Add salt. Add ginger garlic paste. Add black pepper powder. Add baking soda. Add maida. Add chopped curry leaves. Add grated carrot and cabbage. Add chopped spinach. Mix them well. Add chopped onion. Give a nice mix. Batter is done. Heat oil and fry pakras. Fry on medium flame. Fry until they turn into golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Pakras are fried well. Remove them. Crispy pakras are ready. fry leftover pakras. Tasty and crispy begmash dal pakras are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.